That's Molly's spoon. Hey, Molly, that's your spoon. Yeah, good girl. There you go, kiddo. Molly. Good job.
Yeah. Good scoop.
Good scooping. Oh, good job.
Yeah, most of it got in there. Some of it.
Yeah, good job.
Way to use that spoon. Yeah, help it in your mouth. Help it in there.
Mmm. Mmm. Nice.
Wow, that's good.
Wow.
Are you gonna eat all of those prunes? Yeah, Aunt Brendan's gonna be happy that you ate all those prunes.
Wow.
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 Wow, you're gonna poop a lot.
Hey, Molly. Molly. Where's your nose? Where's your nose?
Yeah, there's your
there
nose.
it is. Oh, here you go. Here's
Put
more.
it back in?
Put it back in.
Did you fling some in your face?
Good job.
Good eating, kiddo.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yeah.
You look like a kitty cat. You got kitty cat whiskers. Meow.